Looking to restore your cement surfaces to pristine condition? The best cleaner for cement tackles tough stains, grease, and dirt effectively. With powerful formulas designed specifically for concrete, these cleaners ensure long-lasting results and prepare your surfaces for sealing or painting. Number 1. Rust Oleum 301243. Rust Oleum 301243 is a heavy-duty, multi-purpose cleaner and degreaser designed for both residential and commercial use, making it an excellent choice for anyone needing a reliable solution to clean tough surfaces. This product stands out for its powerful ability to break down oil, grease, dirt, tire marks, and various stubborn stains, particularly on concrete surfaces. One of the key benefits of Rust Oleum 301243 is its effectiveness in preparing concrete before applying paints, stains, or sealers, promoting better adhesion and longer-lasting finishes. It covers approximately 200 square feet per gallon, providing great value for larger projects. Additionally, the cleaner is environmentally safe, meaning it won't harm grass or plants nearby, which is a significant advantage for outdoor use around gardens or lawns. The formula can be used straight for heavy cleaning tasks or diluted for everyday cleaning, making it versatile for different cleaning needs. Whether you are tackling a garage floor, a driveway, or industrial concrete floors, Rust Oleum 30123 offers dependable performance without the use of harsh chemicals that could cause damage to surrounding areas. Many users appreciate that this product combines strength with environmental safety, allowing them to clean effectively without worry. It's also highly durable, ensuring that the cleaning process is thorough and efficient. While it excels primarily as a concrete cleaner and degreaser, its multi-purpose nature means it can be used on other surfaces where grease and grime are issues. Overall, Rust Oleum 30123 provides a balance of power, safety, and versatility that makes it a top choice for anyone looking to restore and maintain clean, contaminant-free concrete surfaces. Number 2. Miracle Sealant. Miracle Sealant is a highly regarded cleaning product suitable for both interior and exterior surfaces, known for its gentle yet effective cleaning power. What sets Miracle Sealant apart is its safe formulation that makes it ideal for use in food preparation areas, giving users peace of mind when cleaning kitchens, countertops, or any surface where hygiene is critical. The product is odorless, which makes it a pleasant cleaning option for enclosed spaces without causing discomfort or lingering smells. This cleaner is designed for easy application, making it accessible even for those who want a quick and hassle-free cleaning experience. The fact that it is safe for regular use means you can incorporate it into your routine maintenance without worrying about damage or toxicity. Miracle Sealant's versatility makes it a valuable product for many cleaning scenarios, including residential kitchens, bathrooms, or commercial spaces such as restaurants and cafes. Its ability to maintain cleanliness without harsh chemicals is ideal for households with children, pets, or anyone sensitive to strong cleaning agents. Additionally, its balanced formula ensures that surfaces are cleaned thoroughly but gently, preserving the integrity of delicate materials. While it may not be intended for heavy-duty industrial grime, Miracle Sealant shines in everyday cleaning applications, providing a dependable, safe, and user-friendly option. Its broad usability and non-toxic nature make it a go-to product for consumers seeking an all-around, environmentally conscious cleaner that keeps spaces hygienic without compromise. Overall, Miracle Sealant is a trustworthy, effective cleaning product designed for those who prioritize safety and ease of use in their cleaning routines. Number 3. Akona Concrete. Akona Concrete Cleaner is an effective solution designed specifically to tackle tough efflorescence and rust stains that commonly appear on masonry, pavers, brick, and concrete surfaces. Its strong removal power is perfect for homeowners and professionals who want to restore the natural beauty of outdoor surfaces affected by white mineral deposits or stubborn rust discolorations. What makes it particularly attractive is its safe and simple formula, which avoids the use of harsh acids common in many other concrete cleaners. This means it can be used with confidence without risking damage to delicate surfaces or surrounding vegetation. Ready to use right out of the bottle, it simplifies the cleaning process by eliminating the need for mixing or additional preparation steps. This user-friendly aspect makes it accessible to DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Besides cleaning, Akona Concrete also acts as a preparatory step before applying concrete sealers, ensuring surfaces are free from contaminants and ready for sealing. This dual-purpose functionality enhances the overall protection and longevity of treated surfaces. Users often appreciate how versatile this cleaner is, suitable for a wide range of materials beyond just concrete, including brick and masonry, making it a handy all-around maintenance product.
Number 4. Fila Cleaner PS87. Fila Cleaner PS87 is a powerful, heavy-duty cleaner and degreaser designed for use on a variety of hard surfaces, including porcelain, ceramic, natural stone, quarry tile, concrete, and terracotta floors. Its versatility is one of its greatest strengths, as it effectively removes grease, ground-in dirt, and other tough residues that can accumulate on both indoor and outdoor flooring surfaces. The cleaner's highly concentrated formula allows for flexible use. It can be diluted for regular maintenance cleaning or used undiluted for deep cleaning particularly stubborn stains. This makes it suitable for a broad range of cleaning needs, from everyday upkeep to periodic deep cleans. Fila Cleaner PS87 is especially effective on natural stone surfaces where many cleaners fall short or risk damage. Its gentle yet thorough action helps maintain the aesthetic and structural integrity of delicate materials, which is a critical factor for homeowners and professionals working with premium flooring. The product is also ideal for cleaning concrete and terracotta, which often require specialized cleaners to avoid deterioration or discoloration. Users praise its ability to tackle grime without leaving residues or harsh chemical odors, contributing to a cleaner and fresher environment. Because of its concentration and efficacy, this cleaner is economical, as a little goes a long way, covering extensive areas with minimal product use. Overall, Fila Cleaner PS87 combines strength, safety, and versatility, making it a standout choice for anyone looking to maintain or restore clean, attractive floors across a variety of surface types. Number 5. Mold Armor EZ. Mold Armor EZ is a powerful bleach-based house wash designed to kill mold and mildew while cleaning a variety of exterior surfaces, including siding, brick, concrete, and trim. Its user-friendly spray-on formula allows for easy application without the need for scrubbing, saving time and effort while delivering visible cleaning results in just minutes. This product works effectively on numerous materials such as vinyl siding, brick, stucco, aluminum, painted wood, PVC, and even gutters and roofs, making it extremely versatile for exterior home maintenance. The bleach base ensures strong mold and mildew removal, helping to restore the look of dirty or stained surfaces caused by outdoor growths. Despite its powerful cleaning action, Mold Armor EZ's straightforward spray and wait method makes it accessible even for users with minimal cleaning experience. Overall, Mold Armor EZ offers a practical, effective solution for maintaining clean and healthy home exteriors, particularly in environments where mold and mildew are persistent problems.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.